Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to the second part of construction chapter. Here in the first part, we learn how to construct a tangent to a circle and how to construct a two tangents from an external point. The two are very important among us. So, next part of this class is construction of circumscribed and inscribed circles of a triangle. You know what is meant by circumscribed and inscribed circles? So circumscribed means a polygon, a circle touches all the points of the polygon. Means polygon is inside, circle is outside. So a polygon means here we are considering triangle. A circle touches all the points of the triangle. All the points of the triangle. How many points are there in triangle? Vertices. 3 vertices. So it touches all the 3 vertices of a triangle. Inscribed circles means a circle touches all the 3 sides of the triangle. Means polygon is outside, circle is inside the polygon. That's why this is called inscribed circles. Let us do these constructions of circumscribed and inscribed circles. Whether in the exam hall they are asking to construct circumscribed or inscribed circle means first we have to construct a triangle based on given data, and then we have to construct either in circumscribed or inscribed circles, whatever they are given in the question. So I am considering the first question here. Construct a triangle ABC in which base BC is equal to 5.5 cm, AB is equal to 6 cm, and ABC is equal to 120 degree. ABC is equal to how much? 120 degree. So we have to construct a circumscribed circle. So let us do. First we have to draw a base BC. There your base BC is equal to how much? 5.5. BC. BC is equal to 5.5. Next we have to construct angle ABC. So angle ABC is how much? 120 degree. So we have to put a projector on the point B. You can count 120 degree. So here if I am taking this line here with the 0, if I am considering here I will get 120 and mark 120 here. Then draw a line. Draw a line. So this is how much? 120 degree. 120 degree. Next, they are given AB length. AB length is how much? 6 centimeter. Take compass and scale. Measure 6 centimeter. So B point you can cut. So if it is not cut means you can extend the line of this angle. No problem. So this is now AB. Now just I am rubbing the question because of space shortage. So now I am rubbing the question. So whatever data they are given, first base is 5.5 centimeter, angle is 120 degree ABC constructing, and then I am cutting the AB length is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. So next you can join the length of AC. Join the length of AC. Join the length of AC. After joining, so here very important. So up to here you know how to construct a triangle, whether they are given data in the question. After constructing, while constructing circumscribed means you have to take any two sides perpendicular. So any two sides you can consider perpendicular bisectors. So now I am considering BC. Perpendicular bisectors means how you have to construct a perpendicular bisectors. So perpendicular bisectors means any two sides means you can consider more than half of that side. You can cut. Once you take the radius, don't change because arc cutting is now one side perpendicular bisector over. Next side, if I am considering this side, I am taking more than half of that side. Again same. Okay. Now I am constructing two perpendicular bisectors of the side BC. Now I am joining first perpendicular bisector and second perpendicular bisectors here. Look at this. Now it is fine. So two perpendicular bisectors meet at this point. So you can consider this point as any I. So now this is very important now to joining circumscribing circles. So how to join now circles means from this point to you can consider the radius of any point of the triangle. So here A. So you can check. So here touching C, here touching B. From this point, after taking the radius from the I to ABC, any vertices of triangle, here to shortage of the board. Okay, circle it will come. So if you draw a circle, so it touches. So you know the steps, then you can easily construct. So what you have to do first, construct a triangle according to the given data, and next step is to draw perpendicular bisectors of any two sides of a triangle. It meets at one point. From this point to, you can take a radius from any vertices of triangle. You can check. I am taking from here to here means distance from I to A, I to B, I to C are same. While you are constructing circles, on this point you can keep your compass point, draw a circle. Look at this circle. Because of shortage of board, I am not able to construct a circle, cover the circle. So I hope you are understanding. So if the circle touches the 3 points, A, B, C points. These B, C points. So that means this is the main steps we are following for circumscribing circles. So I hope you are understanding how to construct a circumscribed circle for a given triangle. Next, we will move to the part of inscribing circles. So next part of construction is inscribing circles. We know how to do circumscribed circles. Next is inscribed circles. So in this one, considering the problem, consider constructing inscribing circle of an equilateral triangle with side 3 cm. What is meant by equilateral triangle? All sides are equal. All sides are equal means base sides are always equal. So if I am considering 3 cm, BC is 3 cm. Means I can extend 1 more centimeter. because it will come too short. 4 centimeter you can extend. For 3 centimeters also it is possible. For your understanding, I am extending 1 more centimeter extra. Next, you can take compass and scale, measure, four centimeter, measure 4 centimeter. This is C, this is 4 centimeter, because equilateral triangle means what? All the sides are equal. You can take B, same 4 centimeter, cut the arc, cut the arc. Now you will get one more point, that is A. If it is arc is larger means you can rub the arc, make it shorter. Now you can join the line AB and AC. Now triangle is over. After constructing triangle is very important. So while you are doing circumscribing circles, we have to draw perpendicular bisectors of the sides. Here we have to construct angular bisectors. Inscribed circle means what? That circle touches all the sides of the triangle. So that means you can consider any two angular bisectors. So take one short distance from here to here. You can cut R, same distance. So you know how to construct an angular bisector. Construct. So here also I am constructing okay. Same thing you can consider. First you have to construct angular bisectors. First you have to understand the concept and steps. Then you can easily solve. Now I am joining two angular bisectors. The two angular bisectors meet at this point height. Now, next is you can take distance from these two sides. So next you can construct a circle. You can construct. Now look at the triangle. So circle is inside the triangle. That circle part is touching all the sides of the triangle, AB, BC and AC. This is a construction for inscribed circles. So what is the difference while you are following steps while constructing circumscribed circle and inscribed circle means? For two types of construction, first you have to construct triangle. After constructing triangles, draw perpendicular bisectors for two sides for circumscribed circles. For inscribed circle means you have to draw two angular bisectors and take measurement and construct. So circumscribed circle means it touches all the points of the triangle. Inscribed circle means what? That touches all the sides of the triangle. So this is important steps you have to follow for constructing circumscribed and inscribed circles. Thank you for watching video.